Mommy, you know, so them can't sleep in the same bed. One of you sleep so, one of you sleep so. Boucher and boucher. Vlogger. Nice to meet you.
How is this service over there?
Take time with me, my friend. Me very.
When I pull out the years, we have
We pay extra just for you to take time. I tell the truth. No,
no, like you pull out the piece, but then I pull out the piece, you have to pull me out.
You pull out here and you know go.
Oh,
yeah.
So not pull me up on the.
No man, it hot man. That's not do your thing, man. But me I tell her.
Come here, you say I'm
no, me I tell her me pay extra just for take time. People at first me I come at here just to come to me. Yeah, I always my sister and my girl do.
Jesus.
What's your store name? What's your store name?
Yes, sir?
Yeah.
Where is the plaza? You can surprise me. So where are you, sir?
Me you think that for real do you know?
For the phone, is it? No, we're not.
Boy, I have to do necessary.
At least we never all this time. Ooh. Guess what's for breakfast? Whoa. Oh. Ooh, this makes me so wet. It's crazy. I have one whole piece of chicken in this here, so one of it somebody and one of it somebody. Where you laugh? No, babe. Don't even make me think when me think you think.
Why you think?
Babe, I check back the box. Baby, eat one of my chicken. Baby, eat one of my chicken. Babe, me no carry for me and you. 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 Babe, me never, babe, I want me eat, you know.
I wake up in the morning and do my chores and I get hungry. Cause you never wake up here.
One piece of chicken. Me good. Trust. Yeah, listen, somebody buys food and you ever tell them say you eat the part what we not like. No, listen now, why you bring it up? But they are half on one chicken, but Andrea eat the chicken, so watch me eat chicken for my breakfast. We're in a NHT right now, I have a little thing to deal with them. But like them parking lot though, it just look up top.
Look, sir. So, are so much people there?
Okay then. That's what happens when you don't buy a license. You're full of reverse tactics. People look on this view, yo. Yeah, but it's big. So I just don't do a bag around up and down. I'm still gonna get through the I get through with it. I'm going to the tax office to Coyle and slung there for about half an hour. And I just hear two girls around at the back attack. I don't know how that go. But I just feel like say them never there serve nobody and I could away. So I just cut. So we're gonna get some food. You see me? At town tax office I go still. Cause you don't know. But I tried the one I make one of the other day then because probably mommy know somebody over there who can help me deal with me deal with. Cause God knows. Okay? To come in a building and sit down and boy, I tell her, Jamaican system. See how they make my rice drop for me. So I talk about the system, you know. That food that make me so wet, I not to remember if you have found or something. I have found something doing about this going away. Man, hungry G. Big piece of chicken. Yo, I can't go share that one as a guesser. $1,000 money, go buy yourself one, man. And I sit down and go away and use it. I just take up the camera little and I say, I just put this on the vlog because I get a lot of text say, yo, you're not posting no vlog at all. What happened? You're off of the radar or whatever. So, I gotta stop lazy up with the clips them. Come on though, it's Christmas and me and the person at the green shirt start partying, you know, so that's why I don't see me really post a vlog. So, I just take up Anja from around the supermarket. She just done the shopping and I take up everything. I call Miss Desiree to get some fast food. She said she don't open the shop. I go over my mother about half an hour ago. She said she not cook. Now Anja gone a hairdresser. So she being at the hairdresser, me have at least the next 2 hours. Now me definitely need something to eat. Jaja. Them have a little Popeyes near to Mineralites. I never tried. I go over there when I and then they close at the time. I might go try it. I have to go get some for me and Anja though. I don't really vlog over my yard from I don't vlog over my mother yard from Christmas really start. I just ups and downs, so come in, I'm here alone apart for now. Hopefully this turning a vlog because enough vlog me start from where they are. Well, you probably go see it in this, probably not. Enough vlog me start from where they are when I finish up, so make we could do what we can do now. Alright. When you see the line for the Chinese food, I'm not in them itchings there. Chinese food always save my life, especially now when I'm Maypen. Trust me. If you're lucky enough, I'm gonna bring one I wanna go the one I'm Maypen. Best taste in Chinese food. So that line is too long. I don't want a KFC. I'm probably gonna get the Popeyes. I wanna try the Popeyes. Anja kinda iffy about the Popeyes like me. I might try to get it. Jano, the Christmas you have me I spend hard, but what's the sense if you work so hard and not spend your money on yourself or upon something you love? So we're gonna look some pizza first, then we're gonna stop at the Popeyes. Hopefully me get Popeyes because if I don't get the Popeyes, me's not a pizza person, is it? And my belly take long for full. So that's one of them things there. Alright, so I just buy the pizza. I buy them have one option named Amazing Fork. So I buy that. So them say 20 minutes time. I don't want to sit down and take a week, but I just want to go grab some food, but I honestly don't know. Food space is kinda limited in Maypen in a one type of way. I'm not even sure if the Popeyes over so really open neither. I don't know, I probably have to go make a call. I'm not to eat anyway, I have to know. The food they have to have a little reputation first, isn't it? Come at me, I have to go stick with the Chinese food, you know. Big one thing. No, I have a friend working at a Chinese place now. I wonder if I could just go show her my face. Yo, I found. So said, so done, I see my friend. I'm gonna take off my mask, I'm gonna get you. My friend, big up yourself. I don't want nobody pray in your workplace, you know, but just come on, man. A time we are work with, you know. Is it? So right now, I go back down, so go get my pizza. I wonder if I peel somebody just peel me like a while. I walk come to the vehicle, a man say, yo, my friend, I don't answer because I don't know you. Him say, him work on the garbage truck or whatever. And he call some name and I say, I don't live nowhere where you call. So him tap and say, yo, I very much I reach. So there's a 2 bills him I look for him fear and say, I wonder if I peel him pay me. I say, him, I would lie to you, God know I need the fear. So comment below and let me know if I peel me. Or you need really need it. Hopefully you really need it. But if he make up a story, my mother teach me say people tell life you get things from you. It depends for them side, you see me, so As we roll with us, I gotta walk with him. So we get the pizza, but what kind of uncle raise him would that be if? I remember when Miss Desiree say the baby them leading the car hungry at one point. Can we have the baby them in the car? Me I say, how am I go buy pizza for mommy them alone? May I get a little pizza for them like in a 10 minutes time. I'm ready for your pressure cooker now. But if you call it a pressure cooker from Miss Desiree, she gonna feel like say that I'm come for. Is you gone in your bed?
No, sir. Fish for the jockey.
Okay.
Well, your wife, you have to cook it. There was a man said food, you have to cook it.
I believe you and I agree.
Oh, Jesus, oh my God.
For the babies,
a
yeah.
lot.
No good
A
now.
lot.
A little bit. Yo, suppose me tell you say, after me buy the Chinese food, I never check the bag, but the lady with her cash me. She did talk to her friend meanwhile and I never did pre where she do, you know. The lady way serve me my food different from who cash me. When she give me my food first, I say, hey, I never cash on water. Then she give me water. Now me checking her bag, no fuck. So hungry I'll kill me for the next 10 minutes. Right, what is life? Oh, hungry for kill me have me a pizza. The pizza have to go make me so wet. Which one of them for teeth though? Definitely not the vegetable. I'm not that type of person. Take one of that. Yee! Pizza, I'm here to go on with things. People, when I come over here, everybody in here asleep. I can't. Yeah, asleep. What was that night? Them and people in here asleep. At Christmas,
not asleep.
I told me that they were just boring. So, Mommy, sorry if you make up so much nice. I'm so.
Yeah, then go on, my bed.
So you don't want a pizza? Come and get some pizza. That's so boring. You just lock up.
Listen to me, we got my favorite pizza. Remember,
No, watch it.
remember, say love your vibes, you know.
Thank God for
Not really.
you come out of my bed. I don't need to wash my hands.
Pizza. I tell you that. We have the vouchers here, people. Man called fresh. Wait, what next soda coming up?
You know what you just do?
Put in my soda. Oh, a preservation. Listen, Lucy, we don't have the hacks. I feel like you alone can't go after it. God! No sense about it now.
So, taxi driver and same phone.
Jody never have an exciting story. Never. Hear a boring story.
You're first upon the phone now. God, you're a taxi driver. Everybody has say God. Me I say God, you I say God. When you call me if you say you're dead with laugh. Take camera to face.
This joke ever. When I tell you no sleep in arrangements if me asleep here. Mommy, you know so them can't sleep in the same bed. One have to sleep so, one have to sleep so. Boucher. See right here. One have to sleep so, one have to sleep so. Now my house it go different. Can me wear pants in my house, mommy? Oh, that's how you sound, sir. And me alone used to there make nice. Oh, you sound like I went church over. So she reached back now.
You like my hair?
My hair look nice, but
Thank you, baby.
at time for go home now.
Yeah, for real.
Alright, so this is a few of the stuff that we will carry up. Wow, they carried it under pressure. So I'm going to just go and finish, pack up and fix up and do the little necessary stuff. If you made it to the end of this video, comment 2020. Yeah, comment 2020. It's been a good year for some of us. And if you think say it's a bad year for you, just made say it was bad, but still you're living in December. Squad!